Good morning. Today we are correcting CO53, working with vertical angles and corresponding angles. For our vertical angles, remember, if they are opposite of each other and they share the same vertex, they are congruent, which means what if they are congruent? Lila? Same measure. Right? So congruent means they are the same measurement. So if they are opposite of each other, they are the same measurement. So here we had 150, opposite of it is 150. Then we use what we know about supplementary angles. We've got a straight line. 150 will be supplementary with 30 because that equals 180. In our middle one, we had 82, and opposite of it is 82. Supplementary angles would be 98 and 98. Over here, we had two different vertical angles we had to work with. So on top, we had 155. Opposite of it would be 155. Supplemental angles would be 25 and 25. Then on the bottom one, we had 68. Opposite of it is 68. Supplemental angles would be 112. Opposite of that is 112. So key things to remember, opposite angles of those vertical angles are congruent. And remember, supplemental angles with that straight line equals 180 degrees. Then we had our corresponding angles. Corresponding angles means if they are parallel lines and you take the top section, you can put it right on top of the bottom one and it would be same measurements in the same locations. So if we had 110 degrees here, vertical would be 110, supplemental would be 70 and 70, and then we lift that up and place it on top and we have 110, 110, 70 and 70, so it looks identical. Over here we had 52 degrees. Vertical angle would be 52 degrees. Supplemental would be 128 and 128. We pick this line up and we put it right on top of this line and we have 128, 128. And then on the top and the bottom we have the 52s. So they need to be in the same locations. Over here we had 99 degrees. Opposite of that is 99 degrees. Supplemental would be 81 and 81. We pick that up and we put it on the bottom line and we have that 99, 99 and the 81 and 81. So just imagine picking it up and putting it directly on top of the other parallel line and those angles will be the same. They are congruent. Any questions on the vertical and congruent angles? Okay, if you are watching this at home, I hope you are well and hope to see you soon. Have a wonderful day.